Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George.
The Old Man and His Sons. Once upon a time, there lived a man who had many sons. However, the sons were always fighting with each other. As the man grew old and weak, he became worried that if his sons continued to fight among themselves, they would ruin themselves. He begged to them to live happily together in peace. But no one listened to him and continued to behave the same. One day, the old man called all his sons together and handed to them a thick bunch of sticks which were tied together. He told them, I want each one of you to take this bundle of sticks and break it. The sons, one by one, took the bundle and tried to break it with all their strength, but they were not able to. Sorry, father, we are unable to break this bundle, no matter how hard we try, said all his sons. The old man then opened the rope that bound the bundle of sticks together. He then gave each one of his sons a stick. He said, now, my sons, take one stick each and break it. The single stick broke easily. The sons were puzzled with their father's behavior and asked, what does this mean, father? The old man explained, just like the sticks, if you will stay together as one, bound by brotherly love, nobody will able to break you. There are many people in this world who will take advantage of you when you are a single stick like this. If you will stay united, you can face any danger. The sons all learned the lesson that their father gave and know the value of each other.